What's up YouTube? My name's Ron and welcome to my channel. Right now, as of the making of this video, meron na akong 14 videos actually. But after a long time of not making videos, I want to have a fresh start in this channel. Like a version 2.0, something like that. Gumawa ako ng YouTube channel because I enjoy sharing videos with people, and also editing videos is fun and I love exploring techie stuff like the one I'm using right now, itong animation to. And because I'm a CPA, I think talking about accounting is a good topic. So, nice to meet you fellow and future CPAs. I'm not even sure kung magkiklik ito pero bahala na si Batman. Anyway, halos lahat naman ng tao ngayon may YouTube channel, right? So why not make my own YouTube channel where instead of just watching, ako yung gagawa ng video, right? It's free anyways. So if ikaw may balak ka rin mag-start ng channel mo, go ahead. It's free anyways, no? Wala itong bayad. Alright, so if bago ka sa channel na to, first time kang nakanood, in this channel, I will be doing some accounting tutorials, but please be advised that the contents of this channel is in no way intended to be taken as a substitute for formal education. I will be making videos about topics that people in the accounting and finance world would be able to relate to, and this may include things like personal experiences in the profession and other accounting stuff na pwedeng pag-usapan, mga tips in studying accounting, and maybe tips in general sa pag-aaral ng accounting because just like you, I was also a regular student before who aspired to be a CPA. And what better way is there to give back than to help those who are also aspiring to be CPA someday? So if you have suggestions on what topic I should talk about in my next video, please feel free to comment down below and we'll see. So yeah, I think that's it for now. But before you go, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's learn from each other. See you!